In this video I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip files on your Oppo Reno 8 Lite. So in order to do this, we'll need to download our RAR app, which we've shown how to download in another video. Now let's open the app. From here we'll need to start locating our files, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Here's the 3 pictures which I'm gonna pack. Now select each file that you want to pack, like this. Now click on this plus button. From here we can start customizing archiving options. So first let's pick a name for this archive. I'm gonna call it Pictures. Next we can choose extension for this file, so we can set it to be zip, RAR or RAR 4.x. You can set up the password for this archive. So I'm gonna do it very simple, 1, 2, 3. If you're not sure that you typed it incorrectly, you can always show the password and encrypt the file names, so that if somebody will be trying to access these files, it will need to get the password when it opens the RAR file, instead when he unpacks it. So now let's actually enable encrypt file names. We can change a few settings, like delete files after archiving, create solid archives. In advanced you can see even more settings, and in the options there's even more options. In the comment section you can leave any comment about this archive, and after everything is set, click OK. And that way you pack this RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.